Hello, friends. Hope you're good. And let's talk about some Easter cakes and desserts. Easter is a time of celebration and joy, and what better way to celebrate than with delicious desserts and cakes? Whether you are hosting a family gathering or a simple want to indulge in some sweet treats, there are many Easter desserts ideas that are sure to delight your taste buds. One popular Easter dessert is the classic hot cross bun. These spiced buns are traditionally eaten on Good Friday and are marked with a cross on top to symbolize the crucifixion of Jesus. They are typically made with raisins or currants and are best served warm with a dollop of butter. Another popular Easter dessert is carrot cake. This moist and flavorful cake is made with grated carrots, nuts, and spices and is often topped with a cream cheese frosting. It is perfect dessert for Easter and it is both festive and delicious. For those who prefer something a little lighter, a fruit salad or fruit tart can be a refreshing dessert option. A colorful array of seasonal fruits such as strawberries, blueberries, and mangoes can be arranged in a beautiful display and served with whipped cream or yogurt. If you are looking for something more indulgent, chocolate is always a popular choice. An Easter chocolate cake or brownies decorated with pastel colored frosting and candies can be a fun and festive dessert option. You can make Cadbury mini egg cheesecake. This Easter dessert will leave everyone speechless. So delicious, moist, and easy to make. Cheesecakes made with a graham cracker crust, creamy cheesecake filling, then topped with a rich and creamy chocolate crunchy, toasted coconut, and Cadbury mini eggs. Simply heavenly. Perfect for an Easter party you might be hosting or attending on just family gathering. The best part is that you can make it the day before and just store it in an airtight container. You can also make Easter mix mini cookies. Holiday themed cookies are must when it comes to Easter desserts. So delicious, easy to make, soft, moist, and chewy. Basically, anything you want in cookies, they are loaded with pastel M&M sprinkles, perfect paired with a glass of milk or a mug of coffee. If you are a tea person like myself, they will be delicious. So this is all about today's video. I hope so you like all the ideas in this video about Easter cakes and desserts and you will apply it too. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel.